with great joy, humility and deep respect that I welcome you all to this landmark occasion, India Maritime Week 2025, and especially to this very special session, the Maritime Leaders Conclave, with the participation of more than 85 countries, 450 plus confirmed speakers, 500 plus exhibitors, 13 concurrent international events, and more than 1 lakh delegates. This edition of the Maritime Week is not just larger in scale than before, it is richer in vision and deeper in deliberation. It is also more inclusive in participation, reflecting the rising global stature of India's maritime ecosystem. We are truly honored by the gracious presence of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, whose visionary leadership has transformed India's maritime landscape. Maritime India Vision 2030, Maritime Amritkal Vision 2047 are shining example of sharp vision and smart strategy. These are the reflection of the Honorable Prime Minister's conviction that the sea is not a boundary, but a bridge to prosperity. For decades, this remained a dream. It is this foresight of yours, sir, that has led to the construction of India's first mega port at Vadhavan in Palghar, Maharashtra. India today contributes to more than 10% of global seafarers. 1 in every 5 global seafarers is going to be an Indian by 2030. We are also expanding our footprint in cruise tourism, aiming to become the Asia-Pacific leader with a 10-fold increase in passengers traffic. Equally transformative has been the decisive push to India's shipbuilding sector. For the first time, 70,000 crores package has been carved out for shipbuilding, demonstrating the Honorable Prime Minister's resolve to make India not just a ship-using, but a ship-making nation.